Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. We are into November now. We have 2 boxes to do. Just remember that it might take us a little bit to catalog and get them processed, but you can let us know if you'd like to put any of these on reserve. We've got some movies, The Cuban, Let It Snow, looks a little creepy, Baby Teeth. Now we're into some books. The next, number 7 for the Babysitters Club. We got an Easy Reader, Pete the Cat, Super Pete. Pinkalicious Easy Readers. It's good to see some Easy Readers. The latest in Phoebe and Her Unicorn. Happy Llamica. Ooh, this one looks neat. Let's see what it is. Fairy Tales of Fearless Girls. Oh, Kevin Hencke has a new one. Sunflower Lion, that looks adorable. And a nice Pete the Cat, some fall. Just to remind us that it's very fall now. Je suis Super Nino. Oh, the little kids. Oh, Pete the Cat. This is a Pete the Cat box. Crayons Rock. I Can Be Adventurous. Oh, it looks like it's a series of books. Let's get them all out the right way so we can see them a bit better. I Can Be Bold. There's Queens and Kings. I Can Be Creative. We got some artists. I Can Be Sporty. Some athletes. And Woke, a young poet's call to justice. And yes, this one was Daring Explorers. So that's our first box. Lots of kid stuff. Oh, and there's a talking book. Maybe you should talk to someone. All right, let's move on to our second box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I see more kids' books. We got number 8 in the Babysitters Club. Boy Crazy Stacy. Got another Pokemon in for you. A graphic novel, I believe. Yes. Vanessa Yu's Magical Paris Tea Shop. That sounds interesting. Kind of fun. Heartstopper. I believe that's a YA adult graphic novel. We've got Lincoln Sisters, a historical big stories about life in plus-size bodies. Innocence, Elsewhere. A Good Marriage. We have looks like a large print by Anne Cleves. Early Departures, Jason Reynolds, always a good read by him. Kitty and Dragon, Krista Parker Klein, The Exiles. Karen Slaughter, if you need something suspenseful. This one looks neat. The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. B.E. Schwab, she's also great. We have The Abstainer by Ian McGuire and Rita Mae Brown. Formidable Foes. Up over here we have Rory Brown, Detective, The Den of Danger. A Life on Our Planet, David Attenborough. Fangirl, the manga by Rainbow Rowell. This should be good. Lightbringer, Claire Legrand. I believe that's a YA. We got an Irish Country Welcome in the Irish Country Doctor series. This box is packed good. The Noel Letters. The Rambling. Oh, we got Gravelands, another Aaron Hunter book. And let's see what this one is. Among the Beasts and Briars. Look at that cover. That's gorgeous. Kenneth Apple Hatch, a middle grade reader. Nora Roberts Hideaway in large print has come in. And I believe that is every, oh, one more here. The Turning. So yes, as always, you can ask us if you'd like to put these on reserve. Just let us know and we'll get them out to you as soon as we can. Bye.